Struggling to write the perfect introduction for your paper? What if an AI could do the first draft for you, using your own references? Hey everyone, welcome back to Bioinfo Tips. Today, I'll show you how to use NotebookLM, Google's AI-powered notebook, to write a professional abstract or introduction for your scientific paper, using real research articles as sources. Let's see how this tool can turn 4 PDFs into a coherent and accurate scientific text. First, go to notebooklm.google.com and start a new notebook. Then, upload your scientific papers. In this example, I've chosen 4 open-access papers about how the gut microbiota influences cancer immunotherapy. NotebookLM automatically reads and links the content, which means you can ask questions or generate summaries based on these sources. Next, I will use this prompt to ask the model to generate an introduction. Using the 4 uploaded papers, write a scientific introduction on the topic The Role of Gut Microbiota in Regulating Immune Responses in Cancer Immunotherapy. Don't forget to ask to write it in a language that you want. This prompt tells NotebookLM to synthesize information, structure paragraphs properly, and maintain academic tone. After you run the prompt, NotebookLM will generate a full scientific introduction. Here's the key. You can ask it to refine or expand specific sections. For example, can you make paragraph 2 more focused on microbial diversity, or rewrite paragraph 3 in a more concise style? This iterative process helps you get a text that's scientifically accurate and ready to adapt for a paper draft. One of the main advantages of NotebookLM is that when you hover your mouse over the numbers, it shows you the specific segment of text where you got the information from. Now some tips. Always verify facts directly in the papers. Use the text only as a starting draft. Don't copy it verbatim. Add your own context or figures afterwards. This workflow is perfect for students, early career researchers, or consultants who want to speed up the first draft of a manuscript. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tools for scientists. You can find the example prompt and papers in the description below. See you in the next Bioinfo tips!